Dear friends, Namaskar. Myself Dr. M.D. Satpute, Department of Botany, Karmavir Baharao Patil Mahavidyalaya, Pandharpur. Today I am going to teach for the class BSc 3, Botany paper number 9. Name of paper, Reproductive Biology of Angiosperm. Name of unit, Introduction of Flower. This is the structure of flower. Flowers are beautiful and sweet smelling. We use certain fragrant and colorful flowers for adorning hair and for other decorations. Many flowers have in them nectars too. Flowers are the reproductive structure of a flowering plant. Flower is a modified shoot specialized for sexual reproduction. Parts of flower. A flower consists of a very short axis called a thalamus. Arranged on the thalamus, one above the other, are the floral whorls. Typically, flower has 4 floral whorls, namely from base to top, calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium. Base of the flower called a receptacle. Stalk of an individual flower is an inflorescence is called a pedicel. The outermost whorl of floral organs are called a calyx. The second set of floral organs are called a corolla. The male reproductive organ of flower is called a androecium. The female reproductive part of the flower called a gynoecium. This is the structure of flower. Calyx. Calyx constitutes the outermost whorl of floral organs. Its component parts are the sepals. Sepals are usually green in color. Enclose the rest of the flower in the bud stage. However, they can be absent or prominent and petal-like in some species. Corolla. Corolla constitutes the second set of floral organs. It is situated in between the calyx and is usually composed of single whorl of petals. Petals are generally thin, brightly colored and sometimes sweet smelling to attract insects that help the process of pollination. Androecium. Androecium is the male sex organ of flower. It is made up of number of stamens. The slender stem-like part of the stamen is called a filament and the bulged tip is a anther. The anthers are seen in the center of the flower. The pollen from the anthers of one flower is transferred to the stigma of another flower through wind or by animal, especially insects. This is the structure of anther. Anther shows filament and anthers. Gynoecium. Gynoecium is the female sex organ of flower. Each gynoecium is formed of one or more carpels. Gynoecium consists of stigma, style and ovary. The carpel or multiple fused carpels forms a hollow structure called an ovary. Ovary produces ovules. Ovules are found inside the ovary. This is the structure of gynoecium. Gynoecium consists of ovary, style and stigma. Thank you.